In this video, we're going to go over how to use the text editor and format text in Blackboard. The first thing that you want to do to use this option is come to a content area, which could be either course documents or assignments on the left side course menu. And then we can hover over build content or assessments and choose one of the options. For the sake of this example, we're going to hover over Build Content under the main course documents title at the top. And then we're going to go ahead and select Item. So we go ahead and type in the item name, and you'll see below that there's a text box. Sometimes this is also the same box for a description as well. And in the top right-hand corner, you'll see that there are two arrows pointing up. And when we push these arrows, when they're pointing up or down, we can toggle the graphic user interface on or off. Now, the graphic user interface is just simply a set of options that are used to edit text. So in this case, we can type example text, and we can bold it, italicize it, underline it, or strike it. We can also go ahead and choose how it will display with HTML, or select a different font. We can also increase the size if needed, and remove options as we see fit. This goes also for adding bullet points, using bullets or numbers. We can control the text color, and we can also highlight text if necessary. So below this first top row, you also have the options for cut, copy, and paste. And you can use Control-C or Control-V to accomplish these actions as well. We can undo changes to our text if we need to using these arrow buttons. And we can align and justify the text on the page using these ones on the second row. We can also indent for paragraphs if needed. We can add superscripts or subscripts. We can also link using the chain options. And we can also control the paragraph direction. We also have a couple line options if needed. And that brings us to the third row. So starting from the left side of the third row of options, you have a large paperclip. And if you click on that, you can go ahead and attach a file. A window will open, and then we can select Browse My Computer. We can select our test file, and then click Submit. And that file will be linked in the description, and anybody who clicks on that link will be able to download that file. The same is true for images. We can go ahead and click Browse My Computer to find an image. So in this case, I've selected a Sweat with the Vets banner image that I want to post to advertise this event. We want to say OK, and we can insert that image. Oh, and that's another thing. By clicking in the bottom right-hand corner, you can control the size of the text area as well. So we can insert and embed media if we have embed codes, and we can also use the math editor if needed. Last but not least, I'm going to go over the Mashups button. The Mashups button can be used to add videos and content from different services. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on the down arrow next to the Mashups button. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and type YouTube, select YouTube video. And then I can search for Blackboard videos. I'll hit go. And so any video that pops up, you can go ahead and select. And then we want to go ahead and click Submit in the window that was opened. And you can see that this video was embedded into the text area. You can also enter links to YouTube videos. And you can also use the services such as SlideShare, Flickr, Blackboard Collaborate, or MBC Content, or Kaltura Media Content. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use the text editor and format your text in Blackboard. Please continue forward to see how to add a web link to your Blackboard course site. Thank you.